The components required for this experiment are Wemos D1 Mini board, BME680 sensor, breadboard, connecting wires and connecting cable. Now we can upload the program. For that, go to this drop down. Here the port is already selected. Click on the port and here we need to select the board. Here we are using Wemos D1 Mini board. So search for the same board. So select the board Wemos D1 R2 Mini. Click OK. Now click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the Wemos D1 Mini board. Now to check the output, go to serial monitor and select the correct baud rate as you mentioned in the program. Now open the IP which you got in the serial monitor in the web browser and now you can check the output.